Beyond the trees and the tents and the castle here at the Harden Estate, there's talk of the good life. I'm really excited to be here. It's my first time at Cerys Matthews and Friends and Family's annual get-together, celebrating outdoors and the world of music. Just one look at the programme says knots, chips, gin and an axe. As the programme says, let the good times begin.
Such a family-friendly festival, and we had such a good time with him last year. Been throwing hay around. They've got the little play area for the kids. There's so many other kids around. They just have such a good time.
There's so much to do. Yeah, and it's the exploring really.
Well, Cerys, thanks for having us at the Good Life Festival. I've heard so much about it. What can I expect this weekend?
It's a little bit of everything. What I generally say is if you take the Great British Bake Off, mix it with a tube, and then add a bit of Bear Grylls, exploration and science into it. It's a bit of everything. Literature, chefs, music, the great outdoors and craft.
What does it mean, you know, as a real craftsman like yourself to come to a festival like this? Because there's young people around watching it for the first time.
Yeah, this is fantastic. I mean, people have been forging steel in this country for 3,000 years. And, you know, we want to show people that the traditions are still alive and well in the 21st century.
Well, I've seen some metal at festivals before, but nothing quite beats making an axe here at the Good Life. I enjoyed that. Well, Jeff, you've been part of the Welsh literature scene for decades and decades now, and you're at the Good Life Festival, and literature seems to be, you know, on an equal footing with the music, with the food, with everything else going on.
It's got a different vibe. They actually put books on their banner, you know, and we're here, and there's people making books. To me, it's a great way to end the sort of festival season to come up here.
Why have chips when you can have vegetarian, delicious sweet potato peanut curry? Food like this is a really important part of the festival, isn't it?
It's just amazing. I mean, we've had the deer hung up most of the day, and we've had kids coming up, not knowing what it is, kids stroking the fur. Like, this is where your food comes from, isn't it? It's from the fields and the farms.
Yeah.
And the fact that people can come to this festival and find that out is fantastic.
When you put on an artist or a festival like The Good Life, you're educating a lot of people. There's a lot of backstory. Where does that passion and intrigue come from, Cerys?
I've always loved old music. I love the intrigue and the history in the old songs, and I always have.
Gwyneth Glyn, Tom Morris, chi wedi bod yn ŵyl y Good Life o'r blaen. Be sy'n dod â chi nôl yma? Be sy'n neud hon yn ŵyl arbennig, Gwyneth?
Wel, dwi wedi dod yma yn y gorffennol i fwynhau ac ymlacio, ond lenni ydy tro'r cyntaf da ni'n perfformio yn swyddogol, a nid yn unig y canu, ond da ni'n gwneud sesiynau barddoniaeth hefyd fory, a cyflwyno chydig o hanes Cymru ar ffurf Bird's Eye View of Wales.
It's not till you come to the Good Life Festival that you realise what it's all about. I've tasted it, I've heard it, I've had a brilliant time here today. I've seen really interesting different things, and it has really been a glimpse of the Good Life.